Let me teach you how to watch market trends inside of Robinhood. Whether you're just trying to look at the trend of the market or want to know what market participants are doing, there is a section inside of Robinhood. So for this, just open up a particular stock that you're trying to watch. Now if you're just trying to look at the overall trend of the market through a chart, you can just see the chart right here. And if you want it in advanced version where you can add in indicators and whatnot, you can tap on the advanced section, which lets you view the trend using other price indicators such as candlesticks, and which also lets you add in indicators. Now if you want to look at what other market participants are doing, you can scroll down until you see a section which says trading trends, and it's going to show you the data from Robinhood, hedge funds, and even insiders. You can tap on the view details option and you can switch between these sections to take a look at what the market participants such as hedge funds or insiders are doing with this particular stock. Also, if you head back, there is a section called analyst ratings, which are the ratings of analysts which say what they are doing or thinking about doing to this particular stock. So that's the way that you watch market trends inside of Robinhood. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.